For some new businesses, protecting intellectual property is key to success. However, attorneys specializing in intellectual property can be insanely expensive, and many new entrepreneurs feel that since they can't afford the legal bills, they can't move forward with their business. Now, as I always remind you when I talk about legal or tax stuff here at New Venture Mentor, I am not a lawyer and I cannot give you professional legal advice. However, I don't want to see any aspiring entrepreneurs with great ideas stuck in a rut because they were quoted a 5-figure minimum fee by a patent lawyer, and so they think that their dreams are dead before they've even started. That's why this week we're going to talk a little bit about how you can save some money when you go through the process of protecting your intellectual property. A lot of this information comes from an article by Doug Wolf over at entrepreneur.com, and you can find the link below the video if you want to check it out. Now, patent law is one of the more complex areas of law in the US, and that's why lawyers that specialize in this type of law can charge big bucks, and entrepreneurs trying to go it alone can often get themselves in trouble. A very common way to go is to file a provisional patent on your own, sort of as a placeholder, and then use a lawyer to file the non-provisional patent. A non-provisional patent application must be filed within 1 year of the filing date of the provisional patent. But this method can give you a few extra months to pull together the necessary cash that you need to hire a lawyer that will make sure you get the IP protection that's vital to the success of your business. If you decide to go with the do-it-yourself approach, some of the most common blunders that non-experts make include not giving enough information in the provisional patent so that its filing date can be used to benefit the non-provisional patent, either completely forgetting the 1-year deadline for filing the non-provisional patent application, or just waiting until the last minute to bring on a lawyer to file the non-provisional, so then he or she doesn't have enough time to do it properly. Not understanding what rights the provisional patent actually provides, and then getting in trouble by publicly disclosing too much, including too much irrelevant information, misclassifying or mischaracterizing previous inventions upon which your new one is built, and attempting to include multiple inventions in one patent application. Once it's time for you to bring in the professionals, make sure that you shop around to find someone that offers what you need at a price that's fair and affordable. While it's important to get a lawyer who's experienced and really knows his or her stuff, you shouldn't just go to the most expensive game in town. Some lawyers actually specialize in working with startups, so they may have some flexible payment arrangements available that can help you out. Additionally, the vast majority of lawyers still charge by the hour, so you'll want to make sure that you have all of your ducks in a row before you begin the relationship. Draw up a clearly organized document that fully details the invention and includes any diagrams or charts that should be included in the patent application. Make sure it's thorough and complete, and do your best not to make any changes once the lawyer gets started. Remember, every change means more work for the lawyer and a bigger bill for you. So the more organized you are from the outset, the lower your overall cost should be. While proper IT protection can be expensive to get, if that intellectual property is key to the success of your business, then you should give it the time, respect, and monetary weight that it deserves, and make sure that you get the proper protection. It may seem exorbitant up front, but if you later end up needing to protect your rights to that IP, you'll be glad that you had a professional dotting all of the I's and crossing all of the T's for you. Now I'd like to hear from you. What's been your experience with intellectual property lawyers and patent applications? Please share any tips, horror stories, or other experiences in the comment section below. If you're not watching this video at Costa.com, make sure you get over to the website to join in the conversation, and while you're there, sign up for my newsletter so you never miss any information that could help your business grow. If you liked this video or found it useful, please spread the love by liking it and sharing it with anyone you think would get something out of it.
Did you find this video helpful or fun? Then share it with a friend who you think would benefit from the dish, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Facebook and subscribe to my channel on YouTube so you never miss any of the latest tips, tricks, and tutorials to help your business grow. And you get to see my adventures through the wide world of entrepreneurship and how I use the freedom running my own business gives me. Also, remember to head over to Costa.com so you can get in on the conversation about how to build your business to success so you can live your life your way.